Hello everyone, and today I'll be showcasing the e-commerce project for the CS50 web programming course. The first requirement was that our project must have at least 3 models, which we can see here. One for listings, one for comments, one for bids, and one for the user's watch list. The second requirement was that users who are signed in should be able to create a listing, which we can see here. And now the third requirement was the active listings page, which should display the listings that are currently active, which we can see here since the listing we just created is the calculator. The fourth requirement was the listing page, which should display information specific to the listing that we have clicked on. We can see the information about the listing here, such as the seller, the description, the bid, and the highest bidder, which in this case is nobody since no one has bid on it. Since we're signed in, we also have the ability to comment on the listing and the ability to update the comment as well as delete the comment. Since I'm the owner of this listing, I can also close this at any given time. I also have the ability to add this to my watch list, which we can see here since our watch list now has the listing that we added in it, as well as remove this from my watch list if it is already in my watch list, which we can see here since our watch list is now empty. Other users have the ability to bid on this, but I do not since this is my listing, which we can test right here. They can also add this to their watch list. As we can see, if the bid is greater than the current bid, then we can successfully place this bid. Now, if I go back to my other user, I can see now that someone has bid on this auction since the highest bidder is now our dummy user here, Nathan. Now I can also decide to close this auction and it will display who won this auction as well. We also have a categories filter which will filter the listings by the category that we specify. Since we have already closed all of the listings, it won't display any categories, but we can test this out by creating another listing. Now we can try out the category filter. See, as we can see here, it displays our categories, our listing according to that category that we have specified. We can also look at the Django admin